Welcome back once again. In this video, we'll try to understand that which hosting provider is the best for your decentralized application, whether you are building NFT marketplace, taking project, ICO launchpad, running any kind of AI model, which one is better for you, which you can pick, which is going to provide you all the feature, all the supports, all the backup model without paying higher cost, and you will have your entire application up and running so user can start using your product. So there are two options you will have which cost you less amount, and you will have the maximum feature, and you will have the higher compatibility if you really want to build a custom models where you want to design and take more resources based on your application which you want to provide. So these two provider is absolutely phenomenal, and this is what I use very frequently when I have to simply host static model applications. So the first one I have in the list is Hostinger. So if you come back to the website, there you will find all the details that what are the services they are providing. Recently they have added the n8n model, so if you want to run agentic AI, you can execute that. But the best part is that they provide these 4 plans and you can pick any one of this. The best part is that if you are very low with your budget and you just want to test your application online with a fewer user, then you can go with this one, the single plan. You can go with the premium one. There you will have most of the feature. But if you are going with absolutely basic, you just wanted to test, then I would highly encourage you to go with a single plan. There you will find all the model and you can see what are the things you will get. You can host one website, you will get 10 GB of storage, you will get one inbox, and here you will have some external feature. But if you go with the premium one, you can able to get 20 GB of storage, and you will have other domains, like you will get the free domain for 1 year, which you will not get in the single plan. If you are a business where you have a little bit money to spend on your project, then you can go with the business one. There you will have more option, more feature, and more customization which you can pick. But I would highly encourage you to go with the premium one. It's not that much. Like if you want to buy it, they're going to give you a domain. Ultimately, you have to buy a domain for your project. So if you have a domain, then you can go with the single one, and 10 GB storage is enough. But you can also go with the business one. This one is the best. They have the DNS configuration very easy. You can easily able to configure the application. You can easily able to change the name server. That's all the customization and all the setups you can do. Once we'll get into your dashboard, you will have all the control over the application which you have launched. So simply log in, and I already have my project up and running. So number one, I would suggest you. The second one I have is the DomainRacer. This one is also really perfect to start with, and they have the most cheapest plan which you will find. So if you want to get the domain, if you want to see the services they provide, so you can able to check all of that. So they have the share hosting, they have the resale hosting, they have the VPS hosting which you can pick. So if you want to buy any domain, you can come back here and just give the search, and you can able to get the domain. So there you will find all the details, all the suggestions that what are the domains are available. So you should always compare your price, that where you are getting that particular domain cheap, and based on that you can simply buy it. So this one is also a very powerful platform, allow you to buy your domain, hosting provider, and it's very easy to do the setup. So you can simply get into your account. There you can able to monitor all the configuration, all the DNS configuration which you have to do if you have your hosting platform on a different system. So generally what I do, I buy my domain from here on a DigitalOcean, which costs me very less, or sometimes I can buy with the Hostinger. I use both of this plan. And what I do, once I have the domain, I can simply do the DNS configuration, because they have the simplest DNS configuration. So if I'm running my blockchain or any other project on a DigitalOcean, I can simply configure it, and that's all up and running, and it gets live very quickly. So this one is the simplest way. It's very easy to use. It's very handy for the beginners. If you're absolute beginner, if you don't know about the cloud-based services, how you can do the settings, all of that, then you can go with these two platforms. They have the pre-built configuration. All you have to do is to simply upload your code, and your application will be up and running. So I would highly encourage you to check on both of this. They have the amazing offer right now. They're giving bunch of discounts, which is pretty amazing. So make sure to check all features they are providing each one of this plan, and based on your budgets, based on your projects, you can simply pick. So that's my ultimate suggestion for you. If you are looking for a hosting provider to buy domain, or to buy a hosting platform, to buy any kind of self-host model, that's all you can go with this. So that's the quick overview I want to give you with these two platforms which you can pick, and simply go with that. I will provide you the link of both of these in the description, so you can click here, and when you will use that link, you will get some 50 to 60% extra discount on your first purchase. So you can have a look on that. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.